Once you sign in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. You'll have your company name appearing at the top, followed by your company number, your name here, your email address, your exhibitor name, which should largely just be the same as your company name without proprietary limited, if that exists at all, and your location. We're going to move on now to adding wines into your cellar. To add a wine, you can click this button here, or you can click Add Wines in the top left-hand corner. On this page, we're going to ignore the display name. This is generated automatically and you're unable to edit this. So if there's something not right here, then just make sure you're editing the other elements around the page. This display name is what will appear to customers and appear on all certificates at the end of the day. So before you save your changes and submit the wine, make sure that this display name is exactly how you want it to appear. We can start off by adding a wine image and adding a description of the wine that you're uploading. This might be the tasting notes also from your website. Add in the label of your wine. The label is an optional field, but you might find that you've named your wine and given it a label. In this case, we're using Sorcerer's Syrah. As you can see, when entering the label, your display name is updating up here. Select the vintage of your wine, the size of the bottle, the closure, the aging type, the aging length in months, a barcode if your wine has one, the retail price in Australian dollars, and the wine's ABV. We're then going to upload the variety of the wine. Click Edit to edit the variety and start by selecting the right varietal. These are broken up into standard/table varietals, dessert and sweet varietals, rosé, and fortified. As this is a Syrah, we're going to select it from the table and standard varietal. Indicate the percentage makeup of this varietal. If you'd like to add another varietal, you can do so here. If you'd like your varietal to appear in your display name, ensure that this box is ticked. Double check that your varietals are adding up to 100% and answer the question as to whether or not it is a sparkling wine. Then apply composition. We can now add in some wine features. Finally, before saving, we're going to double check the display name to make sure it's exactly how we want it to appear once again in all instances and occurrences of this wine being reproduced on any certificates, result book entries, or customer promotions. I can see here that the varietal is repeated. In order to avoid that, we can either remove the wording from the label, or we can turn off the variety from appearing in the display name. This now looks far more appropriate for certificates, result books, and customer promotions. When you've checked and are happy with everything, we're going to save changes. The wine will then appear in your cellar under your active wines. We can repeat the process and add in a second wine. Once all your wines are added to your cellar, it's time to enter a show.